Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding stimulus check. We are going to give you some massive opportunities means you can get $1,700 as well 1000 checks. But you need to watch this video till the end without missing any part, but because there are some steps that you need to take in order to get these checks, and remember that you can get the new 1700 worth of check in the month of February. And this is not it, you can also apply for a $1000 state checks, and we have complete details for you again. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Now before we get started, if you are interested in latest news regarding stimulus check, SNAP, PEBT, child tax credit and everything in between, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. So start off with stimulus check update. Who said that the money is not coming? It is still coming. It is all about finding the right opportunity, and right here we are going to tell you first about $1,700 worth of check that you can get. Remember, we are also going to tell you about the $1,000 state checks that you can apply. So make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part at all. So let's get into the details of these $1,700 checks. Millions of Americans from 9 states will see checks hitting their accounts between $200 and $700 within the next few weeks. Remember, this is indeed one of the most important video of current time. So make sure hit that like button right now, because when you click on the like button, it really helps the channel moving on with the video. Some California residents still have not received their Golden State stimulus payments. Remember, this is only one state that we are talking about. There are various of states they are providing more checks, so make sure you watch this video till the end to know everything about your own state. So let's start with the Golden States, as we were talking about. Some California's residents still have not received their Golden State stimulus payments, which total up to $1,050. Californians should see the payments by the end of January. Joint filers will receive $1,500 and single filer will get $750 from Colorado. Individual who submitted their tax return by October 17 should see the money by the end of January. This is not it. Anyone who was a full-time resident of Ohio is still here, and we receive a lot of messages from the residents of Ohio that what is in it for us. Well, here is the details. Anyone who was a full-time resident of Ohio in 2020 or 2021 should also be expecting a check between 300 and 600. This is not it. We have more for you. Residents from Illinois, Maine, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and South Carolina should also expect checks between $250 and $975 within the next few weeks. Remember guys, this is indeed a very important video. If you think the video is finished, it's not, because now we are going to tell you about 1000 worth of checks that you can get. Yes, you heard it right. 12 states also offering tax credit to families up to $1,000. If you are a resident in one of the 12 states, you could receive a tax credit between $100 to $1,000, but you must have a child to be eligible. 12 states have implemented their own child tax credit to support families through heavy the inflation. The total amount of money you earn from these credit depends on your income level, marital status, and the number of dependent children in your household. Remember guys, this is a very important information, so make sure note it down and you plan accordingly. These states are California, Colorado, Connecticut, Ohio, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oklahoma, and Vermont. So alright guys, that's all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.